hide this weary soul, this bag of bones. And I tried with all my might, but I just can't win the fight. I'm slowly drifting, a vagabond. Just when I ran out of road, I met a man I didn't know, and he told me that I was not alone. Yeah, he picked me up, turned me around, he placed my feet on solid ground. I thank the Master, I thank the Savior. He healed my heart, he changed my name, forever free, I'm not the same. I thank the Master, I thank the Savior, I thank God. Deny what I see, got no choice but to believe. My doubts are burning like ashes in the wind. So long to my old friends, burdened in bitter days. You can just keep it moving. You ain't welcome here no more. From now till I walk the streets of gold, I'll sing how you saved my soul. This wayward son has found his way back home, because he picked me up and turned me around. He placed my feet on solid ground. I thank the Master, I thank the Savior. He healed my heart and he changed my name, forever free, I'm not the same. I thank the Master, I thank the Savior, I thank God. Lost another one, I am free. Yeah, I am free. Oh, I am free. Hell, lost another one, I am free. Yeah, I am free. I am free. Hell, lost another one, I am free. Yeah, I am free. Yeah, I am free. Hell, lost another one, I am free. I am free. He picked me up, turned me around, he placed my feet on solid ground. I thank the Master, I thank the Savior. He healed my heart and he changed my name, forever free, I'm not the same. I thank the Master, I thank the Savior, I thank God. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that cover of I Thank God by Maverick City Music. If you liked that arrangement and you want to learn how to play it for yourself and maybe lead it at your church, check out in the description below. There's a link to a tutorial on how to play it. But also down in the description below, you'll find a link to a free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords. Maybe you saw some advanced guitar chords throughout that cover that you didn't recognize. I want to teach them to you. So check out that free PDF in the description below and instantly level up your guitar playing by implementing some of these advanced guitar chords. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.